Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a look at this cooler table. So we're going to get it set up together. It has a drain in the middle, so as your party or event goes on, ice will melt and it will just drain out and you're not going to have your stuff sitting in a pool of water. And it also comes with an included shelf that runs across the bottom here. Now my second bar that helps hold that shelf did arrive broken, but it will still support a little bit of weight. And this cooler table also comes with a little skirt to dress it up some, so I'm going to show you what that looks like as well. So the little rods that hold the shelves, they have these little nubs on the end that slide into some holes on the legs of the table, and then this one just unfortunately did not come with that little piece. So I'm just going to slide this in on one side and show you what the shelf looks like. So right here is the shelf, and it just has these little edge pieces that hang onto the bars. So you've got some extra little storage space here for other items that you might need during your event or gathering, and with the table skirt it would all be hidden away. Now as for the skirt, it has Velcro lined all around the edge here, and they provide you with these little Velcro adhesive pieces that you just stick around the table, and you'll get that attached with the Velcro, and then any remaining length of the skirt will just attach to itself at the back. And just like that, you've got the skirt attached. So super duper easy. Now let's install all of the drain pieces. So here's what the instructions look like that they provide. And they have like a breakdown of how the pieces get connected together. We're gonna take this larger gasket here that has texture on both sides, and we're gonna place that in the little groove here at the middle of the table, and put our stainless steel drain plate right on top. And then your little drain connector here, you're gonna place the other gasket inside of there. We're gonna put this underneath the table and use the long screw to attach this to this. All right, so that is nice and tight. Now we're gonna take the drain pipe, and the side that doesn't have the lip, we're gonna slide this on, and we're going to place our little gasket in there and get that screwed to the bottom piece. If you have your bottom rack, just slide through the middle there. All right, and just like that, you're done. You can always maneuver this how you need to and extend it if you need to. All right, so let's give it a try. I've got the drain plug in there right now. I want to see if it will stop the water, and it does great. Awesome, works like a charm. And then breaking it down and storing it away is a breeze. I just removed any remaining ice, let it drain, and I'm gonna dry it out. Then we can take the skirt off. Then just take your shelf off, and you can store that in the top of the table. And then just unlock the little support bars here, and the legs will fold up. Just pull out the little crossbars that hold the shelf, and then you can snap that in place. So super simple and easy, and then it lays a lot more flat, so it's not going to take up so much space as you store it for your next event. So if you guys love to host, or if you have a special event coming up that's gonna be outdoors and you need a way to keep things cool without the mess, this is a great way to do it, and it's got a large capacity, so I would definitely give this a try.